Vodafone New Zealand Mobile Operator Review Usage Experience. Links to Vodafone plans and services are in the description. Vodafone NZ is one of the country's major mobile operators, offering 4G and 5G connectivity, prepaid and postpaid plans, and additional services like broadband and entertainment bundles. It's designed for a wide range of users, from casual mobile users to business professionals needing high-speed data and reliable coverage. Network coverage is strong in urban areas, but rural coverage can be inconsistent compared to competitors like Spark. Vodafone's 5G rollout is expanding, mainly available in major cities, delivering faster speeds and lower latency for streaming, gaming, and remote work. Prepaid plans start affordably, but postpaid plans offer better value with unlimited data options and entertainment perks. Customer service has mixed reviews, with long wait times being a common complaint. Roaming options are available in over 100 countries, but rates can be higher compared to some alternatives. The My Vodafone app is functional, allowing easy top-ups, plan changes, and usage tracking. Overall, Vodafone NZ is a solid choice for urban users who prioritize fast data speeds and bundled services, but may not be ideal for those in remote areas or seeking the best customer support experience.